Editing Tran here. I just want to say that, one of my recordings are, one of my recordings that recording, that recording that I'm missing, I accidentally forgot to save that file into my files for all my stuff, so only one of those files are missing. So then there's only 5 of those train spotting recordings, so yeah. Oof, and crap. So, sorry about that. Hello everyone. So, Gostin, I did a shoe in my, I think, latest video. My story is that he would get a rebuild. And let me just make him a little bit more longer. Oh, these wheels down here. I'm kind of messed up. Guess what? I'm actually really mad. Not because of anything which is happening right now. It's because of my friends who didn't even call me or even talk to me on Discord yesterday. Only Black James Productions did. And if he's watching this, just want to say thank you, dude. Since you're actually the only one who talked to me that day on Discord. But if, my friends are watching this right now, I just want to say disappointment. Normally friendship would be about talking and all that and hanging out. No? Great. Literally nobody answered. Or nobody even talked. I want to just finish this off a little bit. Oh god, that's Gostin. But if my 2 friends are watching this, Yes, I'm gonna just tell their names, Oliver and Berkeley. If you're watching this, you made me quite mad and really annoyed because none of you even talked to me yesterday. Only Black James Productions, because he is a true friend. But you literally just did nothing. I literally even sent you some messages in Discord, no reply. But like, yeah, I get Oliver was, in that do not disturb. But Berkeley, it's not a little line, thingamajig. So wow. That's just sad. Like, it did make me sad, but also kinda angry, because normally he talks to me. At least once. Yeah, we typed like just some W's at one point, but I think that was by accident. Now, if you're watching this, well, if my friends are watching this, who they know who they are, thanks. You made me sad and angry. So, just want to say, thanks a lot.